So, good day, guys. Okay, good evening. Night don't reach. Can see shadow. Night don't reach already. So, this video is for those of you that used to look down on people using water filter. Brother, sister, how far? Pure water don't cost. So, bottled water don't cost. What are you waiting for? So before I feel water filter is stressful. The process after boiling, when the water is good, you can't go one for the water filter. And when you don't come out enough water, you can't come out the one you go come put for your container. My dear, is the best. It's the best. If you don't have water filter now in this country, go find money, go buy one, because if you calculate the money you are spending in pure water, buying bag of pure water or bottled water, you will know how much you pay for that place. If you use that money, gather that money and go and buy water filter, you will know the benefits. So let's go. What I normally do, first of all, you use stainless pot. See it yourself. You use stainless pot and not aluminium. No. This stainless pot you are seeing, so my mom that gave me during my wedding, she gifted me. It comes in 3 sets. So I use the biggest one inside it. You can see I've been using it to boil water. That is what I've been using to boil water. I don't use it to cook. It's only for drinking water. So what you will do, watch me. So you collect your water as soon as it's pouring on. So wait, you know how much you spend for water? See free water. Oh, once you boil it, bring your water from the tap. You boil. When it is not full, you put them for electricity. You boil your water. Finish. Very demure. So once the water is filled up, now let's go. Let me show you how the water filter look like. For those of you who don't know, who don't know how it looks like, let me show you. So guys, this is the water filter. See, just this small thing, but you walk, wait till they do. As you see, I'm small like this. It's very, very good. Very, very good. So once the water has boiled and it's cold, you go allow me the water cold. No use for water pour. Once you don't finish boiling, you go fit boil them overnight. Can boil it overnight. Then the next morning you will now pour it here. When you pour it here, then the one that the water filtered, it will now be here. You will now collect it from the tap. So let me show you how the inside looks like. So this 1, 2, 3 you are seeing now is called candle. It is made with ceramic stones. You can see the water. There is water in this one is still filtering. The one that I just poured now. You see the one that's filtered. See how neat. You see how neat it is. Very, very clean. Very, very clean. You can see it is very clean. See how the thing is dropping. This how it is dropping. The down one is very neat. You see the under. See how the thing is dropping. It will be dropping pam, 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 pam. Before you know, the thing has filled this one to the brim. So this is very good. Don't look down on this thing. Don't look down. This is very, very good. Very good. See, when you pour, you cover it. Cover it.
Under the gray sky, pink noise and the city light. Your voice is so clear.
The water is nice, but it's very clean. So this one I remove now is for my kids. They don't take cold water. But me and my hubby will take cold water. So once I bring one, sometimes you just in the morning time you will collect the one the water filters filtered and put inside the container. The one we put inside the fridge. Then the boiled one, then you will now pour it inside. That one by then it has already cold because you put it overnight. You boil it overnight against the next morning. It will be cold. You want to peel your packet. So this one is the candle they sent for us with the radio. This one radio, we not find it in Abuja here. Make you see how it's in the scarce now. For those of you who don't have it, it's very scarce now. So that's it. We ordered for 3. We need to be careful because this candle used to break. If you are washing it, it used to break. Here it comes. See it. Are you seeing it? Like this. You see it. So before you use it, you have to soak it inside hot water. When you buy the carton, the instruction will be in the carton. You have to soak it inside hot water before washing. Please don't use detergent to wash it. Don't use detergent. Inside the carton, it comes to this brush. I say this purple brush. I don't know if it has different colors, but the one inside our own carton is purple. It's like this. Not without this plate. It's me that put it inside this plate because of dust. I don't want dust to be inside since it's drinking water stuff. So this is the brush. Once you are done, you rinse it with warm water, slide to dry, then keep it back and cover it. That is it. Don't need to be stressing yourself going to buy. I beg, tell that no, not come from you. I'm just saying my own. No, not come from me. So if you don't have water filter, please go and buy it. The country is hard. Buy it and put it in your house and use it. It's very good. Thank me later. If you haven't subscribed and you've watched this video to this point, don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe. If you have any question, come and meet me in the comment section. I sit down to wait for you with my pen. So come to the comment section. Thank you. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. I don't be good. Bye bye. Cardinal.